What's going on, guys? My name is Colt if you do not know me, and I'm going to show you in this video a very simple beginner strategy that I personally have used for a very long time. I've been in the game for 8 years now, so I have a ton of knowledge that I'm going to give you guys, and I have a lot of secrets that I'm going to give you in this video. Before we get started, if you guys could like this video, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. I have a ton of other Forex content to learn from, and turn on those post notifications. As well with that, I am going to give you guys a course that I have made once we get into the video that's going to be great for any beginner trader. So stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get into the video so I could show you this strategy step by step. Like I mentioned, guys, I do have a course for you. This is my program right here. The website is rorfx.com, or there is a link in the description. And once you guys go to join now or get started, I'm going to give you a promo code that will give you 15% off. So once you get to this page, go to add promo code and type in FX1 and click apply. It is going to give you 15% off. Hope you guys take advantage of that code. It won't be out for too much longer. And hey, if you're watching this video later and it's still active, you're in luck. Now, the first thing that we need to do with this strategy is we need to go to tradingview.com. If you guys do not know what tradingview.com is, this is where we actually look at the markets and come up with our bias on what we're going to do, whether we're going to buy or sell. It helps us mark up the charts. Every little key component happens on TradingView. Then we actually execute on MetaTrader 4 on our phone or our laptop, wherever you're trading off of. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do when we get to TradingView, and guys, what I would recommend doing is getting the Pro plan. It's like $14 a month, definitely worth it. Now what we need to do is go to this bar right here. This is where we're going to create our watch list. So we're going to click this, and then we're going to go to this plus sign. Now this works for any Forex pair. What I would do once you get here is go to the Forex pairs. I usually use this strategy with the top USD Forex pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, AUD USD. I'm adding most of them that just have FXCM in it. So add like 5 to 10 of the most popular Forex pairs that you would want. Like I said, I use ones with USD in it, like Euro USD, all these ones right here. So once you're done with that, your watch list should be right here. So let's go to our first pair right here. We're going to go to Euro USD. Once you click it, it should take you to the next page where you can actually see the full advanced chart. So my computer is lagging. I don't know what's going on today. And also, if you guys want a free Forex training, click the link in my bio. I just made a free Forex training. So once you get to this page, you're going to go to see more on advanced chart. I'm going to exit out of this screen and these two screens. Okay, here we are with Euro USD. And I'm going to give you guys some major sauce right now. I'm going to give you guys like what my chart looks like and the indicators that I have. So the indicators that I have are the sessions. We're going to ignore the kill zones. Doesn't really matter for beginner traders. And then the EMA. So the first one's sessions. We're going to type in session. And it's going to be right here. Sessions Asia colored New York. And when you go to this indicator, you're going to click the settings right here. And you can make it whatever session that you want. Now I usually trade the New York session. I do trade US30, not so much Forex pairs anymore. But you can choose whatever session that you want, and it will appear on your chart. You can change the color, the opacity, whatever you want. Kind of play around with that tool. Next, I have my EMAs. So you're going to go right here and type in EMA. You're going to click this one 2 times. Once you do that for the settings on the first one, you're going to go to the settings. The length is going to be 20. I have the style red, opacity all the way up in the thickness on number 2. Then I have my 66 EMA right here. I have a blue, thickness on 2 and opacity all the way up, and then the inputs for the length is 66. Now the EMAs, we can see them on the chart as blue and red line. They're really just trend indicators, so they're helping us tell what type of trend we're in. When the candles are below the EMAs like this, we're in a downtrend. Then when the candles are above the EMAs like this, that means we're in an uptrend. So once you see the candles start crossing under the EMAs, that could be signaling that we're going into a downtrend. Now, like I said, when I'm using this strategy, I'm only focusing on the daily time frame. And you guys need to understand that there's an expiration time for every one of these candles. Since we're on the daily time frame, each one of these candles is going to be 24 hours long. Now, in 4 hours and 54 minutes, it's going to be 2 p.m. 2 p.m. PST and 5 p.m. EST is when these candles are going to close. So what I would do if I were you is I would set a timer on your phone. If you go on your phone and you go to clock and then you go to an alarm, you can make an alarm, have it at 2 p.m. every single day, and then where it says repeat, have it repeat Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then once that alarm goes off, you're going to do what I'm going to show you right now. So let's say, boom, it's a new day. This candle just closed. I'm going to start looking for certain candles that are going to give me a bias on whether I'm going to buy or I'm going to sell. And I always like, when I'm trading, the number one thing that I could like to do when I'm trading is just look at the trend. The trend is your friend. If the trend's already going up, it's most likely going to continue to go up. If the trend's going down, it's most likely going to continue to go down. So when I'm trading, I like to look for certain patterns within the trend. So we can see that we're in an uptrend right here, but I like to look for A and V patterns. You guys can see that we have like this V pattern kind of forming right here. And look in the past when we had a V pattern right here, and right here, and even right here. What happened after that V pattern formed? It started to push up, up. So we already are in an uptrend, and we're starting to form this V pattern right here. But we need to notice there's 3 components as to how I take a trade, and you guys should take this to the grave with you. The first thing, let me write this down so you guys can take notes. First thing that we need to do, 1, look at the overall trend. Okay, so we need to look at the trend, what type of trend we're in. Right now we're in an uptrend. 2, look for A, where's the and V patterns forming. Okay, we need to look for those V bottoms and the A tops. Whenever you see a V, that's signaling a buy. Whenever you see an A, that's signaling a sell. So when we're in an uptrend, we're looking for those V patterns to form because that's what we're going to enter. Then 3, look for reversal or continuation candles within the A and V pattern. If you guys are new to trading or not, you guys might know there's certain candles like a doji, spinning top, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing. These patterns or candlesticks will tell us whether it's going to be a good buy or a good sell. And a lot of these candles like doji, spinning tops, they're reversal candles. So we're going to go back over USD, Euro USD, where there were A and V patterns, and look at these candlesticks so you're familiar with them and you can look at them in the future. So this is our 3-step process to overall finding a trade. And we're just looking at Euro USD right now. We haven't even looked at all our other currency pairs too that we made on our watch list. So we're going to cancel this. We don't need that. Let me delete this. Now I want to show you guys one candle that I really like, and it's very easy to get familiar with. There's a bearish and bullish spinning top. And I'm going to show you guys right here. We have a bullish spinning top on this candle. Okay, so let's get this tool again because we have another one right here. We have a bullish spinning top. This is a bullish spinning top. Do you guys remember those toys that we used to spin around as kids and they would just spin? They had the little handle to twist and they'd spin on the ground. That's a spinning top within Forex. So you see how it has that long wick where it's spin on the ground and then the body to hold the weight, and then the top, it has a little wick to spin around. That's a spinning top, but this is a bullish spinning top. And one hack for you guys, when you're trading, here's a saying to always go by. Wicks to the bottom, it's going to go up. Wicks to the top, it's going to drop. So when you see these candles with long wicks pointing to the downside, that's signaling that it's going to go up. Now when we see the wicks to the top, that's signaling that it's going to drop. Now we did see the bullish spinning top. Now let's look for bearish spinning tops. We have one right here, bearish spinning top. The body might not always be as big as the other ones, and that is fine. Really, we're just looking for the top wicks to be longer than the bottom wicks for a sell. And notice how every time after this candle closes, the next couple of candles really push up. Once this candle closed, next candle's pushed up. So these are realistically like reversal candles, you can call them, and at the same time they're continuation candles. So what I'm looking at is for more spinning tops. So we have one right there and right here. Now what I want you guys to notice, this is where we found our trend. Right here on these candles, we were in a downtrend. Very, very clear downtrend. I'm going to show you guys two candlestick setups that I love that are absolutely perfect. So we're in a downtrend. So we found our trend right here. We're in a downtrend. Now we need to look for the A and V patterns. We can see right here that we do have an A pattern. And right here, once again, we have an A pattern. So we find our trend, then we look for the A and V patterns, and thirdly, we look for those reversal or continuation candles, which we have these highlighted candles right here. So we can see the spinning top A pattern, we're in a downtrend. We're going to sell after this candle closes and go with the trend. Once again, we have that A pattern reversal candle. Once that candle closes at 2 p.m., that's when we're going to sell and go with the trend. Now going over here, we have our V patterns being formed. Plus we have our spinning top. After this candle closes, we're going to buy and then target the next previous high. Once again, we have our spinning top closed. We do have our V pattern right there, and we're going to buy after this candle closes at 2 p.m. and then put our stop loss and take profit. I'm going to give you guys some major hacks in this video. I'm happy that you guys are watching this video, so like this video, share it with other friends if they want to get started trading and they need a strategy. Okay? So hypothetically, let's say that we're right here in the market. What do we do after 2 p.m.? Now, the daily chart is nice because the candles are bigger. There's much more volume in it. So if we go to this little ruler right here, this will tell us the pip count. So from the close of this candle to the wick down here, that is 152 pips that it moved up. So what we're going to be doing is when we're going into this trade, we're going to go right here. Long means buy, short means sell. So if we're going to buy, we're going to go long. So to set up our trade, we're going to go right here, put it at the close of the candle. And I usually always have my stop loss right below the wick of that candle that closed. And then what I do for my TP is I'll aim for previous highs because the market came up here at one point. So if it came up there one time before, it's most likely going to do that again. Okay? So I can aim for this high, or I have this high right here, or I have this high right here. Take note that we are trading on the daily time frame, so these trades might take a little bit longer to play out. But when you're trading, guys, the best thing that you can do is just set your trade and forget it. Now we have our trade set up right here. But do you guys see these price numbers right here? These are the numbers that you're going to enter on MetaTrader 4. So if you go on MetaTrader 4 on your phone, I hope you guys have that app. You're going to go to MetaTrader 4, you're going to go to chart, or you're going to go to quotes. You're going to find your currency pair. I'm going to go to Euro USD. I'm going to click trade. And where it says stop loss, I'm going to put 0.96930. And then where it says take profit, I'm going to put 1.01227. Then I'm going to click buy. You guys should know how to use your lot size. If not, type it on YouTube, Colt Most Def, lot size explained, and it will show you. Then you're going to click buy, walk away. Check on your trade whenever you want to check on it. But there should be a point in time where it either hits your stop loss or your take profit. Now that's just one trade right there. But what I want you guys to do, the reason as to why we have all these other currency pairs like GBP USD and USD JPY is because we want to look at those currency pairs too and see if there's a setup, because Maybe there might not be a setup on Euro USD, but there might be a setup on GBP USD. And this is a hack for you guys. If you go right here, you can actually have two windows appear. So if I go right here, I'm going to make this a daily chart too, so it matches Euro USD. And I have a currency pair. If you guys type in right here DXY, go to all, type in DXY, and the US dollar index right here, click that. Now this is the US dollar index, and this is some major sauce for you guys. If Euro USD is going up, that means that the US dollar is not doing well. If Euro USD is going down, that means that the US dollar is has potential, it's going up, it's doing well. So what you can do is mirror these together. If the DXY has signals that it's going to be a buy and go up, that means that Euro USD is going to go down. If Euro USD is giving us signs that it's going to go up, that means that the DXY is going to go down. So when I'm looking at Euro USD, this is why I love Euro USD so much, because this is like a secret cheat code that not a lot of people know about. But when you're looking at it, you can use the DXY to your advantage and be like, okay, well, the DXY does have a V pattern right here. Wicks to the bottom. This does kind of look like a spinning top candle right here. I think it's going to go up. So if the DXY is going up, that means Euro USD is going to go down. Let's sell Euro USD. There's your hack of the video. Now, one more candlestick pattern that I want to go over with you guys. It's called a bullish and bearish engulfing. And all we're looking for is two candles, a bullish candle, a green one, and a bearish candle, a red one. Okay? So when we're looking at, by the way, if you guys go to your chart settings and you go to symbol, you can make the bodies of your candles any color that you want. If you guys want to copy my chart setup right now, you can do it. I'm going to give you guys everything right now. So for symbols, this is what my chart looks like. Make sure your time is set to your time zone though. It should automatically be set on trading view. Status line, I have it like this. Scales. Appearance. Trading. Events. Don't really need that. Okay, there you guys go. So the next candles I'm going to be looking at are bearish and bullish engulfing. So bearish means that we're selling, bullish means that we're buying. So what I'm looking for these bearish and bullish engulfings are a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. But notice how the bullish candle, the price of it opened right here, and then it closed right here. Then the next candle, the price opened right here, and it closed right here. But you notice how this candle almost engulfed this candle? This is what we ideally can call a bearish engulfing, because after this, it started to go down. So that's a valid bearish engulfing. Now I want to show you guys another bearish engulfing. This can be construed as a bearish engulfing as well. We have a doji with a bearish candle, but notice how the body of this candle engulfed the body of this candle. Therefore telling us that sellers are having more power than the buyers were in this candle, telling us it's going to go down. Same thing right here. This is a bullish engulfing though. We have that doji. Then look at the next candle, how it engulfs this candle right here, giving us confirmation it's going to go up. Let's look at a couple more. This is a nice bearish engulfing. We have this bullish candle, then the bearish candle engulfs the body of this candle, starts to drop down. Now we're in a downtrend. It's easy to see the bearish engulfings. Let's go to the uptrend that we were seeing recently. Okay, this is a nice reversal candle right here. We have a bearish, doji, bullish candle, shoots up after that. Bullish engulfing right here, doji, big push after that. A lot of the time when I see these dojis, and a doji is basically like a plus sign. Whenever you see like a plus candle like this in the middle of a red candle, then a plus sign, it's most likely going to go up. Once again, we have a doji was going down, doji, pushed up. Okay. And doji in reverse form, just look how it's right here. Doji, and it goes down. Bullish candle, doji goes down. Bullish candle, doji goes down. So really look at these candlestick patterns, and that's the best thing that you guys can do is just look over the markets. See when the markets have big drops or big pushes to the upside, that's really going to tell you, okay, like these candles are the key candles I need to be looking for. So that's really the strategy in a nutshell. Like I said, guys, at 2 p.m. once this candle expires, we're going to go to Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, USD CAD. And we're going to be looking at all these candles, and hey, it looks like on USD CAD we might be forming a spinning top right here, so we could see good buys. We were kind of stuck all throughout this range right here, so maybe we could see a break in the next couple of days, and we already are in an uptrend. So remember that 3-step process that I gave you guys. Identify the trend, then look for any A and V patterns. Then after that, that's when you want to be looking for your reversal candles or your continuation candles to really give you confirmation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can share it, like this video, and let other people know about this. Guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace out.